First, the red light is a recording status. The green light is a GPS status. The car DVR is recording. The red color will always blinking. Make sure the red color is blinking. After detect the GPS location, the green color will always turn on. Here got the Wi-Fi button. The Wi-Fi button got the 3 function. Press one time. This video will move to the emergency folder to avoid automatic delete. We hold for 3 seconds. So we'll turn off the Wi-Fi. Hold for 3 seconds. We can on back the Wi-Fi. This button we hold for 10 seconds to format the memory card. The sound beep beep will come up. Done format. Continue recording. First, we go to the setting and looking for the Wi-Fi. We search for the eject DOM. So we'll request for the password. The password is 12345678. Okay, got it. Then we go for the eject DOM. Then we click add device.
Wi-Fi is connected.
So the first is an album. If we click the album, it will stop recording. Here, we click for the video. This is a front video and this is a back video. So we click select, choose the video you need it, then we click download. Okay, so these 2 videos were saved to our phone storage. Then we go back. This button, we can start and stop record. This to mute or open the microphone. Switch mode we disable, but you can use this to capture. For this, we can change the view. This is the back camera. This is the front camera. The resolution, we need to stop to change the resolution. 1440, 2K or 1080. So normally for the front, we will choose 1440, the 2K video resolution. The back resolution is the 1080p only. Then we start back the record. Here is the setting. Okay. So please follow our setting. Resolution 144p. Voice video coding, we choose the latest H265. WDR we on. Time watermark yes on. GPS watermark yes on. Frequency for the action we choose 50 Hz. Audio setting, we turn off the audio. Volume, we put high. Switch music, yes, we on. Collision sensitive, we choose middle. Parking mode, okay, if you got the 24-hour hardwire key, so we can open for the parking monitoring. Time lapse, no need, off. Loop, we choose every 1 minute 1 video. Speed unit, km per hour. Time setting, when we press this time setting will auto cease with your phone time and the date. Time zone, Malaysia is +8, yes. GPS information, yes, detected. License plate setting, so you can put your car plate number here. 8881234, then complete. Storage, so you can know your memory card storage. Format, confirm. This one to clear the memory card, to format the memory card. Reset the system, no need. Wi-Fi setting, from here you can change the Wi-Fi name and the password. But okay, we go back. Then we go back again.
Wi-Fi has been disconnected.
Then we can close the Wi-Fi. we go to the local album. This is a local album. We go to the video. So after you copy the video, will save in the my album here. So we can choose any video. Okay, that's all. Thank you.